Hey, my name's Sean with Viral in Nature. At Viral in Nature, we manage businesses' social media, small, medium, and large. So what we do is we'll create the content, we'll post the content, we'll engage with our followers 7 days a week, 365 days a year. For example, one of the content creation events that we actually did involved Yelp and one of our good clients, Simons Valley Ranch, who's been with us for a number of years now.
We've gathered together the best, most influential users on Yelp, the Yelp Elite, together for an interactive scavenger hunt taking place across the entire market.
Now, I want to talk to you about Sean Allen and Viral Nature. I've been working very closely with Sean. Sean's been working with the market for the last 2 years, and he does an incredible job of promoting this property. And I think the success that he has is because he really understands social media, and he really understands being hands-on with the public. So he's amazing at getting events promoted online. He's amazing at promoting our business, and I recommend to you Sean Allen and his company, Viral Nature.